Do you know the specialty of tomorrow? Yes, it is our Independence Day. This is the 73rd Independence Day of our India. Our first the day which we got independent was 15 August 1947. Our freedom fighters had done a great struggle and let an extreme and a huge sacrifice to let us free. So, in the memories of the freedom fighters, we celebrate the Independence Day. We hoist the flag in this day and conduct many ceremonies in which the national anthem, patriotic songs, speeches are told. In this day, the Prime Minister hosts the tricolor or our national flag in the Red Fort. This day is also remembered as the day that we got independence. So we can celebrate this day by staying in our home and staying safe. Thank you.